What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis here, CEO of wealth.Academy.com, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the absolute best way to make money online. So let's step behind the laptop. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Now we're currently looking at this ugly little setup here, but this is the exact setup that I used to make my first 6 figures online. And when I was dead broke, I had no money to my name. I literally used this exact method and it took me from 0 to hero, right? Now, what is it? Free traffic, affiliate offer, money. Now the question is, what is an affiliate offer? Affiliate marketing is when you get paid to refer other people's products. So that's the method that we're going to be using. You can get paid anywhere from 50 to 75% commissions on products that you did not even create. Meaning if somebody created a $100 product and you promote their product and generate a sale, you can get paid up to $75. So the question is, where do we actually find these products? So you would go to an affiliate network, for example, clickbank.com, jvzoo.com, maxbounty.com. These are all platforms where you can find digital products that have pretty high profit margins. So what we would do is, the first step is picking a niche and finding a product. So to pick a niche, what do you like? What are you interested in? What do you like talking about? What do you love to do, right? The next thing that you want to ask is, does it solve a problem and is there money to be made? So once we figure out a niche, let's just say the niche that I decided was sports, right? I love sports. I'm a sports fanatic. I used to be, but I'm really not that much anymore. But let's just say that's what I want to do. You love golf, so we're going to talk about golf, right? Or even you love basketball and you want to teach people how to jump higher. Then what we can do is we can go ahead and actually promote this product right here, which is vertical jump. And just to see what the actual product looks like, it's called Vert Shock. And what it does is it teaches people how to jump higher. So does it solve a problem? Yes. Is it something that I love? Yes, I love sports. I love basketball. I love jumping higher, so on and so forth. So now we have the actual affiliate offer that we're going to go ahead and promote. And the question is, how much are we going to go ahead and make? That's the most important part. How much money can we actually make off of this product? So if I go ahead and click it, they're paying out 75% commissions, and the average sale is $40. That means I'm going to be making about $30 per sale. So if I make 3 sales per day, I'm making an average of about $100 per day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and press promote. Once I press promote, and this is any platform. The platforms are a little bit different, whether you do JVZoo, Max Bounty, ClickBank. And then what we're going to put is our account nickname. We're going to generate a hop link, right? So step number 1, done. We found our actual product. Step number 2 is where being broke comes into play, right? At the end of the day, it's not about a lack of resources. It's about a lack of resourcefulness. So many people make excuses about being broke, but they don't want to find different methods or different ways that they can do to start generating income. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys some. The next step is we want to go ahead and leverage the internet where there is free attention, meaning eyeballs, that people are on platforms and we're not using paid ads, but free attention, and we're going to redirect that attention to our affiliate offer. So the way that we create free traffic is, right, this free traffic that we're going to be driving to that affiliate offer, we need to create content that is congruent with the actual product they're selling. So for example, if I was to go ahead and promote that product, what I would do is I would go ahead and go on one of the platforms that I'm going to show you guys. For example, let me just go over a couple of them. So YouTube SEO, so you can create a YouTube account. So I'll create YouTube videos around jumping higher, right? And then after I create that video, I'm going to redirect that traffic and tell them to go check out my product that teaches them how to jump higher. Then there's blogging SEO, Instagram, there's Pinterest, there's Facebook marketing, Facebook group marketing, meaning if you go to Facebook groups, there's Reddit, there's Quora, there's Twitter. There's so many platforms out there that you can use for free, where there is free attention, free eyeballs, and all you have to do is start creating content around that specific niche of products you're going to be selling, and then redirect that attention to your affiliate links. So just to give you guys real life examples, for example, my YouTube channel, if you notice, I create content around making money online. The type of products that I sell are teaching people how to make money online on my YouTube channel, right? Guys, I started from nothing. I started from 0 subscribers. I have 28,000 subscribers, right? It didn't happen overnight. Next is my blog. So if I look at my blog here, I have content around making money online on my blog. That's another free method. It cost me nothing. It just cost me time. It cost me time to create a YouTube video. It cost me time to create a blog. My Instagram account. If you look here, I create YouTube videos around how to make, Instagram videos about how to make money online. And I redirect that traffic. If you look, ericmoney.com, I'm redirecting them to offers. If we go to Pinterest, right? I have a Pinterest account and it's taking a while, but I have 40,000 monthly viewers. The way that I have 40,000 monthly viewers is I create quotes around entrepreneurship. People who are interested in entrepreneurship are probably interested in making money online. So I redirect that traffic to my affiliate offers. On Facebook, I have a Facebook account to where I create content around entrepreneurship, right? So these people are interested in probably entrepreneurship, making money online, so on and so forth. But when it comes to my Facebook group, so I have a Facebook group of over 900 people who are interested in making money online. It's called Wolves Academy. So with that being said, right, the objective, guys, is step number 1, pick a niche and find a product. Step number 2, free traffic strategies. There's a million and one out there. There's no excuses. I just showed you guys 5 that I'm currently using myself. And step number 3 is earn commissions. The way you earn commissions is having a call to action at the end of your content. For example, if I were to go on YouTube, Instagram, I have ericmoney.com, right? That's basically a call to action to my actual sales process. It's called a sales funnel. Now, if you guys want to learn how to do sales funnels and create sales automation, do email marketing, run paid ads, and go a little bit more in depth into affiliate marketing, right now I'm running a 50% off discount of my course. You guys can go to ericsnewcourse.com. But this is just like the basics that I'm teaching you guys right here. Now, also, the next one is, that's call to actions, right? That's an example, or even telling people to click the link in your description on your YouTube channel. That's a call to action. The only way you can do call to actions is if you have automation set up. So I said before, if you guys want automation, go to ericsnewcourse.com. You guys can grab that. Now, close the sale. The way you close sales, for example, is if I'm using something along the lines of Twitter or Instagram, Instagram DMs or Facebook Messenger, so on and so forth. I'm going to create content. People are going to be interested in what I'm selling. Then I'm going to go ahead and either close them through the DM and give them my affiliate link, or I'm going to go ahead and close them on the phone. I'm going to get them on the phone, tell them about my product, sell the product to them on the phone, get them to make a purchase. I get paid a commission. So guys, it's literally this simple. The best make money online method in 2019, the thing that allowed me to go from corporate slavery to living my life, traveling the world, being my own boss, was this method right here. Find an affiliate offer, free traffic, earn 50 to 75% commissions, and get paid big freaking bucks.